How do I transfer files from my PC to my Kindle device?
Hello and welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore how you can transfer files from your PC to your Kindle device. Whether you want to load up a few new books or share documents, it's a simple process. Let's get started.
What kind of files can I transfer?
Kindle devices can accept a variety of file types, including books, AZW, MOBI, non-DRM, PDF, and TXT, documents, PDF, TXT, DOC, and DOCX, images, JPEG, GIF, PNG, BMP, audio, Audible, and MP3. Remember, while Kindle can read these file types, PDFs and images may be harder to read due to Kindle's grayscale display and PDF's fixed layout.
How can I connect my Kindle to my PC?
Your Kindle can be connected to your PC using a standard USB cable. Here's how you do it. 1. Plug the micro USB end into your Kindle. 2. Plug the other end of the cable into your PC. 3. Your Kindle will appear as a removable disk on your computer. Now your Kindle is connected to your PC and you can start transferring files.
How do I transfer files to my Kindle?
Transferring files from your PC to your Kindle is as easy as dragging and dropping the files. Follow these steps. 1. Open your Kindle's folder on your PC. It usually appears as Kindle under My Computer or This PC. 2. Locate the files on your PC that you want to transfer to your Kindle. 3. Drag and drop the files from your PC into the Kindle's folder. 4. Disconnect the Kindle from your PC. Once the Kindle is disconnected, the new files will appear in your Kindle library.
What if my Kindle does not show the transferred files?
If your transferred files do not appear in your Kindle library, make sure you 1. Check that the file format is compatible with Kindle. 2. Ensure you've placed the files in the Documents folder on your Kindle. 3. Restart your Kindle. Sometimes, a simple restart can make the new files appear. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to transfer files from your PC to your Kindle device. Enjoy your reading, and remember to take a break every now and then to rest your eyes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other helpful videos. Happy reading!